Hello children, I hope everyone is fit and fine and taking good care of yourself. Now, just let us continue with our class. Now, today we'll continue with the remaining topics of chapter number 4, Motions of the Earth. Now, today your topic is Revolution of the Earth. What do you mean by revolution? Revolution is the movement of the Earth around the Sun. Okay, the movement of the earth, when the earth revolves around the sun, it is called revolution. And to complete one revolution, the earth takes 365 days. Okay, 365 days the earth takes to complete one revolution. Then the earth moves in a fixed path. Now when the earth moves, it does not change its place. It does not change its path. So it moves in a fixed path. It moves when it's move around the sun, and that fixed path on which the earth moves around the sun is called its orbit. The path the earth used to move to revolve around the sun is called its orbit. So that path is called orbit. Now the orbit is, the shape of the orbit is elongated. The shape of the orbit is elongated. Then comes effects of revolution of the earth. When the earth revolves around the sun, so there are some effects. Okay, so what are the effects? First, changing of season means like rotation causes day and night. Just because of the rotation of the earth, days and nights occurs. Like that only when the earth revolves around the sun, the seasons, changing of the seasons occurs. Like just seasons changes, like as spring season comes, then summer season comes, then autumn season, and then winter season. These season changes just because of revolution of the earth. Then the second is different lengths of days and nights on different places on the earth. On the different places on the earth, there are different lengths of days and different lengths of nights. In few places the length of days are different, and in few places there are different lengths of nights as well. So let's see the four positions of the earth during its revolution. When the earth revolves, the earth takes these four positions. The first is on 21st March, spring equinox. Okay, then comes to on 21st June it comes as summer solstice. Then on 23rd September it comes as autumn equinox, and at last on 22nd December it comes as winter solstice. Now what is solstice? Solstice means it is the moment when the sun reaches its northernmost, when the sun reaches northernmost point, or the sun reaches the southernmost point from the earth's equator. Okay, from the earth's equator, when the sun reaches here northernmost point, or the sun reaches at the southernmost point, then this moment is called solstice. Okay, now solstice happens twice in a year. One is on June 21 as which is known as summer solstice, and the other which is on December 22, which is known as winter solstice. Then comes equinox. Now what is equinox? When neither the earth is tilted towards the sun nor it is away from the sun. Okay, it's northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, they are equally away from the sun. They are equally away. This northern also and southern also. They are equally away from the sun. This is known as equinox. And at this point of time, there are autumn season, and one is autumn season and the other is spring season. And during these season, it is neither hot nor cold. Even on these timing, on September 23 it is known as autumn equinox, and on March 21 it is known as spring equinox. On these 2 days, on September 23 and on March 21, the days and nights are equal. They both are equal. Class, just observe these 2 days, September 23 and on March 21. These 2 days you observe yourself. You will find that the days and the nights both are equal on these days. Okay. So today we have completed this lesson, and if you have any problem or queries regarding these topics we discussed today, you can mail me and ask your queries. And this much for today. Now we will we will start our new lesson in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, thank you.